Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about door seal, center left for Garland part number 1924412. Door seal, center left for Garland part number 1924412 is a replacement part for Garland ovens. It is a black rubber seal that runs along the left side of the oven door, between the door and the frame. The seal helps to keep heat and smoke from escaping from the oven when it is in use. It also helps to keep dust and debris from entering the oven when it is not in use. The seal is made of durable rubber material that will last for many years with proper care and maintenance. This part fixes the following symptoms. This door seal is used to replace a worn or damaged seal on the left side of the center door of a Garland oven. It helps to ensure that the door closes properly and seals tightly, preventing heat from escaping and helping to maintain consistent temperatures inside the oven. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by removing the existing door seal from the center left side of the Garland oven. Use a flathead screwdriver to carefully pry off the old seal. 2. Once the old seal is removed, clean the area with a damp cloth to remove any debris or dirt that may have accumulated over time. 3. Take the new door seal and align it with the opening on the center left side of the oven. Make sure that it is centered and aligned properly before pressing it into place. 4. Use a flathead screwdriver to press down on each side of the seal until it is firmly in place. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com.
Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.